Best Men's Toiletry Bag Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular toiletries holder in the market that have been used by thousands of men who have given a stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this toiletries organizer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how convenient it is to use this bag. The one that made our list is the QS Toiletry Bag for Men. This bag has a unique double zipper design which allows for easy access to its inner contents. It is specially crafted to be fully sealed when you're on the go and keeps your contents safe and secure during your travels. There's a spacious main pocket with a separate zipped pocket inside and another one on the back. So it has more than enough space to put in what you need, yet compact enough to fit inside your luggage. The high quality PU leather on the outside and the water resistant nylon lining inside helps keep your bag water resistant and longer lasting. To check out the full specs of the QS Toiletry Bag for Men and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/besttoiletrybag. Here's a quick video of this bag being used. So there you have it, the QS Toiletry Bag for Men. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the materials, and its overall functionality, we feel that this toiletry bag is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the QS Toiletry Bag for Men and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/besttoiletrybag. Alright, thank you for watching.